Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha Kiki LaFleur, and yes, you are here for this look. So if I was you, I would subscribe because I'm gonna make you laugh, keep it real, and give you the looks. So keep watching. So as you can see, my face is oily, and I love using this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It blurs out my pores so beautifully, as you will see, and it's such a mattifying finish that it's one of my staples. I definitely have to use this with my sensitive to oily skin. Next, I'm going in with Hide Foundation. This is in shade Honey, I believe. Don't quote me, it'll be on the bottom. But I'm putting a very light sheer amount of this product. This is matching me so nicely. And next I'm going in with my favorite Tarte bronzer. This is Mahogany. You cannot get it at Sephora, but you definitely get it at Ulta. Trust me, I did the work. So pay attention to the technique that I'm doing, you guys. This is different from any other videos that I've done, and I really work hard on making sure I am getting my contour on point. Like, it's always about upgrading your contour look, you know? So I use a small amount of foundation because it's all about the skin. I didn't need to go heavy. And now I'm using this technique and I'm applying just a small amount of bronzer. And now I'm going in with my highlight. And this is by Anastasia. All the links are going to be down below, you guys. So sorry if I don't give you the names or the shades. But I'm really being meticulous when it comes to this freaking contour. You guys, wait until you see the end results. You're gonna be like, yo. So this is great for oval face. If you guys want me to show you other face shapes, mind you, I don't have your face shape, but I can try to mimic it on my face to at least give you an idea what you should do. If you would like that, put a comment down below and put me on. Closed mouths do not get fed. So right now I'm just blending these shades up and out, and as you can see, I'm going to stick with the same brush throughout the process, and I'm working on one color at the time. That way I really get to buff it in and sheer it out nicely. And when I tell you, it is amazing that when you know what you're doing contour wise, highlight, you can really glow. You can glow, you guys. You will see. If you go back and look at my other videos and how I did my contour and highlight, granted, it's wonderful and it's something I would still go to, but this is my winner chicken dinner technique. I'm so proud of myself. So now I'm going back and forth with the contour and the highlight brush so that I can blend everything in properly. Right now, this is the highlight, and I'm just balance everything out. So what I did here, I'm using the contour dark color brush, and I just paid attention and noticed that I made a boo-boo. I'm supposed to be using a highlight brush for the highlight, and so I switched the brushes out. It is what it is. We all make mistakes, and now I'm just working back and forth with the dark and the light and just making sure my skin is nice and balanced. I don't want to see any harsh lines, so I'm blending and I'm taking my time with the blend as well. So I'm really going upward. It's all about upward motion as well. So right now I have a buffer, and I love using this under the eye because it just really helps to blend it out like an airbrush, and I love it. So yeah, now I'm going in with the blush. This is by NARS. I showed it quickly. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. But when I tell you, look at my face, and I haven't even powdered it or anything. So right now I'm just blending it out. Any harsh lines, I'm going over my face and just kind of correcting that, especially that center part. But do you see how the darker shade lifts my face? So now I'm going in with the Collab setting powder that I love using. It's one of my staples. I love using banana and yellow for my highlights. period. And I'm not using a lot, I'm using a puffer brush. This is Benefit's blush. Now, you would think that I'm too dark for that, but no, 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 no. This stuff is so pretty on darker skin. It just gives you that nice undertone glow. Hello, on top with that NARS Orgasm stick that I had on there. So this is a ready to wear bronzer, and it has all these different colors that really help to balance out the face. And I love using this, especially all over in the summertime. Beautiful glow. So I'm taking a smaller, cleaner brush with that same bronzer, and I'm just really going over those dark points, shadows of my face, and just intensifying the shadows. Next, this is Anastasia. This is I believe this is dark brown. So I'm going over my brows. If you want to see a full brow tutorial, I have a video that I did. I will link it down below. You get to see exactly how I do my brows, but I'm not going into full detail right here. But I am showing you that I did a very, very light amount of my highlight for my brows just to clean it up. I like doing that little trick. So I'm going in now with my eyeshadow primer because it's time to get the eyes on, baby. Time to do the eyes. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, it's like I'm watching it with you. Ooh. I'm so silly. Making sure to put that on the lower lash line. So this is Jumbo NYX pencil. This is in the brown. And I'm just really smudging this on the lid before I get my blending brush and just buff that out. I'm gonna wing it as well. I really want a nice sheer color all over the lid. So you see that I am buffering and I'm just balancing it here, right? I also like putting it on the inner corners as well. So now I'm just putting this on my lower lash line. Sorry guys, I'm not cutting this. I don't want to cut it. So you want to hear the oops. All right, so this pencil in particular is green, and because I knew I was using red, the opposite and complementary color to red, instead of using a black eyeliner, I went to go for green, and it really helps my eyes to pop. Look at that, it's beautiful. Especially with the red tones in my skin from that blush. It's so pretty. So this is my Huda palette. I'm going in with a nice dark burgundy color just on the base of the lid to really set that cream. Because I don't want to be creasing. My oily lids love to crease, especially without no base. I cannot go without base. Anyway, so I'm blending up and out. And I'm using a cleaner liner to just help me create the wing. I really wanted the wing to be a little bit more controlled to a point instead of doing it with the fluffy brush and really having it, you know, buff in a circle. I really wanted that line to be prominent. So I'm just blending this up and out as well. And I'm putting it on inner corners and really getting that nice deep shadow. Making sure both of the eyes match, please. Thank you. And I got a lot of lid. Like from my brow space to my lid, I got a lot to work with. And I used to be afraid to put color all the way up there, but now I don't care. I've learned to master it. So I'm balancing out the brow area and just, I added a bronzer, but it's a nice peachy color as my neutral tone, just to accentuate the outer corners and really have everything balanced. It's nice to put a nice neutral tone in the brow bone. I'm doing the same on the lower lash line. It's to balance everything out. That's pretty much why I love doing this technique. Take the same eyeshadow you used at the top and just put a little bit. You don't even have to put a lot, just a little bit to give you that balance. So I'm going in now with the brown and black. I really want, like, I have so many freaking eyeshadows and I didn't take everything out, but I really wanted like a deep brown and I couldn't find it. So I mixed those two. And it was the best decision, pretty much. But I still want one like that. I'm also taking this on to the lower lash line. All the colors go, they all go. Except I'm not taking this to the inner corners. I'm staying on the outer corners and I'm winging it out as well. So coming up right now, I have Jesse's Girls. I have a whole bunch of these and I really couldn't wait to use this. This is a nice, deep, shiny red. And when I tell you the pigment is crazy, look at this, you guys. I love it. So I placed this on the center of the eye. And what I did here was just pack it in. And I did it on both eyes, and whatever was left on the brush, or just wipe off the brush. And now I am blending it into the darker shadows just so that it's light in pigment. I didn't want too heavy at the ends. Don't want to mess up this look. So this is also Jesse's Girl, and this is a nice, how can I explain, like a champagne-ish red. Like it had that gold flecks, but you also saw the pink and the rosy flecks as well. It was so pretty. I had to put this on the inner corners of the eye. Now I don't show you next, but this is MAC coming up. Right now I'm just blending. But this is MAC coming up, and I didn't have a chance to show the bottle. My camera cut out. Right here is like a bubble pink that I'm putting on the inner corners of the eye. I love the combination. It just helps to open and brighten the eye area while giving you a little bit more neutral, more softer tones to help balance out the intense eye look. I love this technique. So I am putting on my lashes. I'm giving you a behind the scenes little sneak peek. But if you want to see a full tutorial, I will have that link down below, because this is the fastest and quickest way to do your lashes. 2 minutes, no more, period. Trust me. The link will be down below. If you like what I'm doing, you guys, put a thumbs up, like, subscribe, show me some love, baby. All right, so now I am doing my lips. This is Juvia's lip liner that I love. I swear I buy like 4 or 5 of these so far. Like, it's my favorite. This is in the shade Cola, and I love this for all, I don't know, just for my shade personally. I feel like it just fits. Like, I don't want to, sometimes I don't want to use anything else, but mauve colors are also my favorite. A mauvey brown that looks, ooh, with a bubble pink. But this is my MAC, speaking of bubble pink, and it's down there, you guys. So I'm using a lip brush to apply this, because it ain't over until it's over. If you feel me, those who get it, okay? So I am packing this on. I be digging inside of that container too. Like, I'm getting all of this because I really love how it applies when you use a lip brush. It's just pigmented. That's pretty. So pretty. So now I'm going in with my Caramel Cutie bronzer by Fenty, and I'm just gonna add a bit more depth to my nose because that's my favorite part. I love contouring my nose. When I learned how to do it right, ooh, you couldn't tell me nothing. Period. Right for me. Like, every contour for everyone's nose is different because our faces are different. So this works for me, baby. And if you want to see a full tutorial, put a comment down below. I got you. This is my Broken highlight that I love. Again, the descriptions will be down below. I think that's Becca. That was Becca. I lost her name. That's why I want to say it. But I'm going in with my MAC fan brush. I love Becca highlights. Oh my goodness. Whew. So pretty. Look at that shine. All right, you can tell me this look is not official, you guys, the makeup, but here's the thing. It's all about the skin. Like, you want your makeup to look like this? Trust me, it's about the skin. Go look at my other videos. I will have it linked down below. It's specifically called The Real Talk, Glow Up Real Talk, and I talk about facials and I talk about hair. I only did 2 so far, so it'll be easy for you to catch up. But I'm just dusting my face with my Fenty cashew powder, and I'm gonna do my hair and come back and show you the final look, you guys, because it's the bomb diggies. But yeah, my makeup is on fleek because I take care of my skin. I'm putting a setting spray that I adore, Set and Prep. It goes on heavy though. That's why I had to cover my hair, because I was like, you ain't messing up my look. All right, so here we are. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. It came out so freaking awesome. And again, you guys, it's all about the skin. That's why the look is amazing. I take care of my skin. I tell you how. So go look at my other videos and get your glow on, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did creating it for you and talking over this. You guys, I don't know, I might do some more. Do you guys like this? Let me know, because I like it. Yeah, so I'm just being silly, giving you guys some looks because this look is official. If you're going to rock this, let me know. Like, it's bold, but it's wearable. Oh, if you like the hair, I did that too. So if you want to know more, just again, let me know. Closed mouths don't get fed. Until next time, you guys. Love you. Peace and blessings. Bye.